Today we're going to walk you through how to add an employee in the HR system. To start, simply click on the Add Employee button. You'll see several fields appear on the screen. Most of these fields are optional. However, the role ID, department, branch, and employee name are required. Let me explain what each field means and its function. First up, we have the role ID. This is an identifier for the employee, which is used for attendance and is stored in the database. If you leave this field empty, our system will automatically generate a 5-digit role ID for you. However, if you have a specific ID in mind for each employee, you can enter it here. Just make sure this ID is unique and doesn't duplicate any existing records in the database. For the employee name, simply enter the employee's name. Now, let's set the ID and then the name. For example, let's use Dara. Next is the phone number, which is linked to the employee's contact. Entering a phone number is optional. Our system also features WhatsApp integration, allowing notifications to be sent to employees. Just ensure the phone number is in the international format for WhatsApp. We also have an app PIN code feature, primarily for an app used by parents to be notified about their child's check-in or check-out at school or university. If you use this application, you can set the app PIN code here to facilitate notifications to the parents. Similarly, we offer a Telegram chat ID option. If you're using our system's Telegram bot, it allows you to receive reports and notifications, such as monthly summaries and check-in, check-out alerts through Telegram. So, the phone number, app PIN code, and Telegram chat ID fields are optional. Next, we have the used target hours. In our working hour protocol, there are 3 types. The first type is used target hours. If an employee works specific hours without strict check-in or check-out times, like working 7 hours a day, you can set this here. This means the employee can check in at any time during the day, as long as they complete 7 hours of work. Alternatively, if you want them to have specific check-in, check-out times across different periods, like 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and then 4 p.m. to 6 p.m., you can set that up too. The system will calculate each period and total the work hours for the day accordingly. To use this option, enable the Work for Segment Time feature, which allows for separate time periods each day. Moving on to the report language, our system sends reports to each employee at month's end, detailing attendance and other information. You can select English or Arabic based on the employee's preference. Now, about departments. Our system allows you to dynamically add and manage multiple departments. You can assign each employee to a specific department, which helps in filtering and reporting. Branches work similarly. If your company has different branches, you can assign employees to them. By default, our system includes a basic department and branch called General. Let's talk about the join date. This unique feature ensures that employee information isn't displayed in reports before they officially join. For example, if an employee joins on August 3rd, their information won't appear before then. This feature ensures the report only includes relevant data from the official start date, making it easier to manage records. Similarly, for the leave date, if left blank, it indicates the employee is still active. Setting a leave date means the employee's data will not appear in reports after that date. Next is the vacation eligibility dates. This pertains to the vacation period and balance in our system. We offer a dynamic option to calculate each employee's vacation balance based on leave periods, starting from the date you specify. Our system also has a mobile application that lets employees check in, out, submit leave requests, or amend check-in, out times. By setting a username and password, employees can log in directly from their mobile devices. If left blank, our system dynamically generates the username, and the default password is 123456. For payroll, the main salary represents the total monthly salary, which can be divided by days worked or hours to determine hourly wages. Additionally, you can set hourly rates. We have a separate video explaining the schedule and how to set prices per hour or per day. There's also the week zone option, from 1 to 8, related to access control. You can set door access, turnstile access, and elevator access using the weak zone. This is an advanced feature tied to access control, and we have a specific video covering this in our library. For work type, you have fixed or dynamic schedule options. This lets you set whether an employee works a fixed or dynamic schedule. We have detailed videos on setting up both fixed and dynamic schedules for employees. Our system also supports dynamic tags. You can add multiple tags to facilitate searches, whether by city, education, gender, or more. You can filter employees using these dynamic tags for any business-related filtration. For card numbers, if your company uses ID cards, RFID cards, or My Fair ID cards, you can enter the number here for attendance purposes. Employees can check in and out using their card numbers. After adding an employee and saving, you can search for them and view their details easily. When you edit, you'll notice some new fields. Each employee gets a unique number. You can also add a picture and assign devices for time attendance or face recognition. You can assign multiple devices, granting the employee access from these devices. The dependence feature is for supervisors to monitor employees under them. Here, you can select multiple employees. This means when those employees check in or out, the supervisor receives a notification, which is also used for parent profiles. If you have a parent profile, you can assign students to these parents. For scheduling, we have a fixed schedule option explained in another video in our library. From here, you can set check-in, check-out times, restrictions, conditions, and rules for each day. Personal info like account numbers and addresses can also be added for salary and payroll transactions directly to the employee's bank account. This ensures that salary payments are automatically transacted to the bank account or exported to Excel, including net salary and account numbers. For time-based leaves, you can set a monthly limit, say 3, meaning no more than 3 time-based leaves can be added in a month.